Hi. So I wanted to give a little bit of an update on some of the reading I've done on instruction set architectures. And one interesting concept that I found very fascinating about complex instruction set architectures is that even though you might end up with ridiculously large variations between different instructions on these larger architectures, I think it's interesting that one of the things that I did pick up after rereading a computer systems, a programmer's perspective, was that the most commonly used instructions are actually much smaller and consistent, and less commonly used instructions are of variable lengths. So what I think would be very interesting to think about is whether or not um, there is the opportunity to create an emulator, for example, that would only implement um, commonly used instructions in like a very small subset of, say, the x86 instruction set. And then the moment that it's faced with an instruction that doesn't exist in the lesser used, the more commonly used instructions, create an illegal instruction exception, and then tell the developer to implement the instruction that was undocumented. And this is sort of the same idea that goes with um, hardware detection of unknown instructions as well, is that you hopefully would be able to implement simpler sets of instructions and then track on an unknown instruction or some other mechanism, and then be able to use that as a starting place to implement instructions that you previously didn't implement. If that makes any sense.